second chapter. What's the name of the second chapter, Avi?
Counting in groups.
Yes, it's counting in groups. In first standard, we had studied already how to count everything, right? Did you know to count everything?
Yes.
Okay, how you will count anything?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Etc. etc. Like this, we know how to count. But in this chapter, we are studying how to easily count in groups. How to count in groups. So for that, first I'll teach you some other thing. See, I have got 2 flowers. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So, if 2 flowers or 2 anything, 2, if they are 2 in number, we will call it a
Pair.
Yes, we will call it a pair. If we are having 2 things, we will call it a
Pair.
pair. 2 things make a pair. Let it be flowers, let it be pots, let it be whatever it is. If we are having 2 of them, we will call it a
Pair.
Okay. Can you say some example of pairs? You don't know? Oh, you used to wear some chappals, right? Your shoes, they are in pairs. You have a pair of shoes, right? A pair means 2 things will be there. So here I am having a pair of flowers with me.
Me too.
So again, Avi is having another pair with you. So total, we both are having how many pairs?
2 pairs.
2 pairs. 1 pair in my hand and another pair in your hand. What is pairs?
Pairs.
So if you are having more than 2, if you are having 3 flowers, what we will call them? If you are having 3, we will call it a group. We will call it a group. If we are having anything more than 3, we can call it as a group.
In first row, we have 1 flower.
Right.
In second row, we have 2 flowers. And we add together with 1 and 2 is coming from 3. Now, 3 means 1, 2, 3. And another add 3, we have to join. That will be 6. In last row, we have 4 flowers. And we are adding 6 and 4, making the 10s.
Very good.
10 number means 1.
Now we will study how to count in pairs. Avi will teach you.
2 flowers on 1 pair. And another 2 flowers. And another.
So, in total, how many flowers, how many pairs of flowers are there? Can you say? How many pairs are there?
Yes, we have to count it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, total how many pairs are there?
5.
5 pairs are there. Now we studied how to arrange it in pairs. And can you say me in total how many flowers are in this without counting?
Of course. Very easy. I can multiply it.
How we will multiply this?
There are 5 pairs and there are each 2 flowers.
Okay. So,
5 2s are 10.
yes. So it is 5 and there are 2 each. 5 2s are 10. Is there any need to add it? No need. Now it will become very easy. Very good. So Avi, I'm going to give you another question. Okay, I had arranged it in another way. So can you tell me how many flowers are there without counting? I'm not asking you the pairs or groups. I'm just asking you how many flowers are there. You have to answer me without counting. See this and answer.
Of course. There are 3 groups and 3 flowers.
So
3 3s are 9.
So here is a question for you. You have to find how many flowers are in this without counting. You have to use how many pairs and use a multiplication to find it and comment in the comment box. Avi, do you know what is this?
A matchbox.
Matchbox. And what is there inside this?
A matchsticks.
Matchsticks are there. I'm asking you some question. Do you think we have more than 30 matchsticks or less than 30 matchsticks in this matchbox?
More than 30.
Okay. So you know what is more than and what is less than, right?
Yes.
We have studied it before itself. You know how is ascending order, what is descending order, and everything we studied. Are you show me your teeth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many teeth are there in your mouth? Is it more than 40 or less than 40?
Is less than 40.
Yes, it's less than 40. So friends, like this we can study more than or less than. Okay? Are your concepts are clear or not? So we'll start the first chapter, counting in groups. So can you guess how many cups are there in this?
10.
Yes, it's 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4,
10.
Okay. So, can you guess how many pairs of shoes, without counting, can you guess it? First count this one.
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 in one row, and how many rows are there?
1, 2, 3.
So, 3.
3 are 9.
Very good. It's 3 threes are 9. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Next. Look at the different things kept in the groups. Try to guess the total number without counting each thing. Okay, see. First, see here. How many cups are there in one group?
3.
How many groups are there? 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, 4.
So 3 fours are?
3 fours are 12.
So there are 12 glasses. See here the bangles. How many bangles are there? So how many bangles are there total? 5 fives are?
25.
Okay, there are 25 bangles in a group. Okay, can you say how many pairs of earrings are here? Pairs. It's in pairs, not in number. We have to count in pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 pairs are there. 12 pairs are there. There are 3 groups of spoons. See, 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. How many in each group? Can you count and say how many in each group?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 2 times. 4 2 times. 4 twos are?
4 twos are 8.
Okay, so in one group, how many spoons are there?
8.
8. So, guess the total number of spoons. So, here 8 is there, here 8 is there, here 8. 8 threes are?
8 threes are 24.
8 threes are?
24.
So, total number of spoons is 24. Next, more or less. Let us guess whether it is more or less. Ring the correct answer. Number of teeth in your mouth. Is it more than 40 or less than 40?
Less than 40.
Very good. Number of seeds in an orange. It's more than 50 or less than 50?
Less than 50.
Very good. Number of matchsticks in a matchbox. More than 30 or less than 30?
More than 30. More than 30.
Number of pencils in your class. More than 45 or less than 45?
Less than.
Number of spokes in one cycle wheel. More than 20 or less than 20?
Less than 20.
How many times can you hop on your right foot without falling? Start.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Next, how many times you can hop on your left foot without falling?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Only 4 times. Okay. That is another thing. Your doggy is hungry. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden for him to eat. Now we found it. It's a barn. Bhuru. Bhuru has torn some pages of his book. Write the page number in the correct order. 48. 48 page. Which page will be before it?
47.
Next 48, 40.
49. 50. 51. 52. 50.
Chipku rat has a long tail. When he was sleeping, Naughty Cat thought of tying his tail to the poles. See, there are so many poles. And this cat thought to tie his tail to these poles. She started from the pole with the biggest number. Biggest number. She started from the biggest number. She moved on to the smaller numbers in order. Help her tying it, but the tail should not cross itself anywhere. Okay? So we have to start from the big number and move towards a small number. So it is in which order? Larger to smaller. Descending order. So here which is the largest one?
39. 37. 36. 35. 34. 33. 30.
31 is there.
31. 30. 29. 28.
And last?
27.
The big carrot. An old man planted some carrot seeds. And one carrot grew into a very big carrot. Okay. And when it became ripened, they tried to pull out the carrot. But it was not coming. First, the old farmer himself tried to pull it. But it was not coming outside. Then he called his wife. Who did he call? His wife. His wife came and she also tried to pull it out, but it was not coming out. So they called their granddaughter. So she came and she was also trying to pull it out. It was not coming out. Then she called their doggy. See, their doggy came and they all four started pulling it, but it's not coming out. Then the dog called their cat. Then the cat came and the cat also started pulling out. They all five started pulling out, but it's not coming out. Then the cat called the rat and the rat came and they all six started pulling out and finally the carrot was out. Okay? So now the carrot is outside. So we can discuss a question based on this. How many are pulling the carrot out? 6. Who was the first one to pull it?
Grandpa.
Yeah, the old farmer was the first one to pull it. The cat is dash in the line. Cat is in which position? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position. Very good. Who was the fourth one to pull the carrot?
Dog.
Very good. How many were pulling the carrot before the cat came to help? How many were pulling? Before the cat came, how many were pulling the carrot? 1, 2, 3, 4. Before the cat came, 4 were pulling the carrot. Make a cap on the third one. 1, 2, 3. You have to make a cap here. Okay? Make a moustache for the sixth one in the line. Sixth one. Who was the sixth one? The mouse is the sixth one. You have to make a moustache for her. Yes. Next. Seema's sanctuary. Seema has made a design with different bindis. See? She had made a beautiful design. Okay. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. Can you guess how many bindis are there? So first we have to count one group. How many are there? So count it. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3?
3 plus
6. 6 plus 4?
10.
10. So in one group there are 10. In this group also 10 is there. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And how many groups are there? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 groups. 8 groups and 10 in each group. So total how many bindis are there?
80 groups.
80 bindis are there. 8 tens are 80. So look at the groups and guess total number of bindis. How many bindis are there in total? 80. Draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. How many more bindis do you have to draw? 100 bindis അവന് ഇനി എത്ര ബിന്ദീസും കൂടെ വേണം? 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. There are 20 more bindis are needed to make it 100. With this we finish the second chapter. And how is it, guys? Please comment in the comment box.